Hey everyone, welcome back to Inferred Finance. Today I want to talk about finance. Or finance is a very important topic in our life. When you think about how to save our money and how to budget and how to create a best finance plan for a lot, yeah. Okay, so in this video, I will clearly show you first of all how to track our expenses. You know what? If we can calculate our expenses, we can easily create our budget plan annually. Okay, you know what? We can easily create a monthly budget plan or weekly. But if I talk about my annually built plan, okay, it's a very complicated thing. But if you track your expenses, if you track your savings easily, then you can easily create your budget annually or like 5 month plan or 5 years plan, 10 years plan each. So in this video, I have some tools and also some tips to create your budget and also track your expenses. So first of all, our video topic is how to track our expenses, pay goals, and there. And if you want your visual, then also subscribe to the channel to learn in finance. Okay, so here first of all, learn the easy and more is the monitor your expanding in 2025. Discover the expense variables and practical money saving strategies. Okay, first of all, let's see. By the among expenses. By track of your expenses. It's a very important lesson here. If you are learning finance or budget. Okay, so yeah, first of all, you need finance are here. Okay, you need your finance clarity and what is up is dead and how much of money you have and how much money you are books spend and what is your next year plan and what is your next 5 years plan. Okay, so follow on your finance grid. Okay, by then your expenses. First up, bring up the have finance unique. Passport is see exactly where your money goes each month, each month, each week. Okay. Next, identify waste. Okay. Identify how much of money you are wasting and how can you save your that money that you are wasting. Okay. The sport unnecessarily spending backgrounds and subscription leaks and California's savings focusum. Okay, so below PCM financial build up the strongest inhibitors to awareness. Okay, so now you understand by the time you pilot why get your resources. First of all, we need our pensive clarity and identify waste, based on money, and serious foundation. Next, I will talk about how was expenses diagnosed work. Okay, how expenses diagnosed work. There are so many mobile apps that strong websites you can easily head down on Google. Okay, but you need a simple planner to track your expenses. Okay, like this file, very simple app. Okay, you can easily download in your vendor mobile or app iPhone. Okay, so here how it's like a swamp. Postal or then and add your accounts, your bank accounts. Okay. Let's sign in with your bank and grammar calls for authentic bundles of imports. Next step, yeah. Counting less spending. For example, organize purchases into categories with just a few steps. Like how much of that you want to spend on your plate and box and a glossy glitter tools, I guess subscriptions and the other things. Okay, so you can easily categorize your expenses in apps. Okay, tiny apps. Naps jump weird in size. You can generate in size view details of both that medium outline finance and picture. That savings, your expenses, and your income. Okay, so how much of how ready you are, you have expenses, income source. You can easily track all these. Okay, that financing your jobs, your businesses, your handout income. You can easily track and one place. Okay, in one device. So you understand how expenses like as well, first of all, they are connected with your bank accounts and they are already categorized according to your expenses. And you can easily choose what kind of expenses you have. And then give that in size and therein they are given all complete detail about the expenses, your savings, and your involved. Okay, like monthly, weekly, annual. So now you understand. Next, I will talk about feeding those, fast feeding those in 2035. Okay, so first of all, I said first to is EveryDollar. EveryDollar, you know what, carried custom with manual entry and full designing that across all devices. Next, who is Lockheed Hung. Okay, so tag your subscriptions automatically and identify the content sources you may have forwarded. Next, who is Soul Box. Okay, so digitally scan and automatically send with basic expense reporting features. So these are two music app and very simple. If you are a beginner, you can easily find them on Play Store or App Store. You can download in your mobile phone, okay, or phone. So I think you can easily use these kind of pagos in Corday 35 on it. So next, I wanna talk about she don't comparison all 3 years. Okay, so I told you 10 years and $1 I blocked the money into Bolton. So now, let's compare in details and lived about features. Okay, so here, first of all, our app is $1. Okay, so bag signing and 183, dessert, reports, and free diet. Okay, so here, first of all, $100. Here, bank signing. Log Jackson, mail ID, yes, visit, Derango, Wilson, and reports, you can easily find out the report and EveryDollar and feed also available. Yes, okay. Next, Rocket Money has bag signing, yes. 9, $1 is not connected to your bank accounts. Okay, but Rocket Money easily connected between easily connected between bank accounts. Okay, so but yeah, manually indeed, yes. This isn't no interports, yes, and battery 3 times, yes, yeah. Nash, Suwaltna, FBA, bank signing call, manually in the yes, the silk, yes, and airports basic report there and finish that 170 billion. So now we're about there, and you're going to easier though. Comparison between these DDFs $1 rocket values involved. Okay, now you can easily choose percent you wanna choose retention expenses. Okay, our match for this tips for preventing asthma's diary. If you want dread young expenses, so any some tips, I think you should follow these tips. You get it easily, and you can improve your expenses and even improve your tagging quality. Okay, yeah. First of all, daily 5-minute habits. Daily 5-minute habit. Okay, set and capitalize new exercise each morning with coffee. Yandu have pine plastic the wheel. Next, use can categorize categories. Okay, let's separate the spend into groceries, bills, dining, and entertainment. User hint. Okay, next, send butter lemons. For example, you care spending numbers. Okay, last you are limited $10, $1, $10, so you get a limit. If you cross your limit, then you will get automatically other messages. Okay, your sample. Okay, so yeah, you care spending your limit notification pay you approves day. Okay, next monthly review. UK monthly review. Snack analyze and just adjust your budget based on each month's legends. Okay, I think one of these 4 tips these are very simple. First of all, first is daily fiber damage and use beta categories and stand by the odds and monthly reviews. Okay, so 19,000. Next, I will talk about how apps boost savings. Lab your Titan apps. How boost your savings. It is possible or not. I think it is very possible. If you track your expenses, you can easily or automatically improve your savings. How? Let's see. First of all, yeah, pattern recognition. Okay, so the reviews is finding panels and high gas potential bad areas. Okay, that's smart analyze. Like all fast personalized tips differ on your unique spending habits. Okay, next, nor tagging. Golem tagging. Visualize your progress towards setting. Tiny bookkeep you what to be taken. Next, the Teresa. That catches you along your charges and helps you avoid expense and late feast. So these are most important things here. If you tag an issue private file in these 4 ticks, like pattern criticism, gore tagging, parental, and smart brands, so you can easily improve your savings. But identify these words during your tagging. They you tag your expenses. Okay, so you should tag the extras to identify these words and you easily improve your savings. Okay, next, and the last I will talk about their control is start taking away. Okay, their control and start tagging goodie. Okay, so yeah, come simple do begin not animals thinking. Possible think sim and the link. Three tools Lydian Gravabak and complicated is best use. Simple here. The small errors and bigger others, dating tiny cares, thousands and zeros over time. See the spots in your web at Brennan. But now you are back. Okay, so you can see things and voice users discover things opportunities in the first week. Okay, so download out to and lad I ordered the tournament beta $everydollar symbol and money then okay. So you can easily now think that and I think you understand you can easily type your expenses and you also improve your settings to type your expenses. Okay, so but you have been here or to focus on some ways and I ordered for you about that ones. Okay, So if you have also doubt, you can ask him in the comment box. I meant him reply every day. So if you have more on the show, that was had the sound to see more videos like this. So see you right next video. Bye soon.